From this video, we are going to learn Python from beginner to professional. This video is the introduction for beginner and also intermediate. Also, there should be a name for this course. The name is FORGEM. Now, you will be wondering what is FORGEM? FORGEM is just a upgrade from Forge. The Forge means to put a lot of effort to make something perfect. The introduction, Python programming basics. As I told you before, this course is going to be beginner friendly, or if you're shifting from another programming language to Python, this will be easy for you. I will be giving you practice question after we complete a specific concept or topic. This will increase your Python learning efficiency. Also, after we complete this course, we are going to make some projects like games, command applications, and many other things. Now let's move on. What is programming? Now, this is the main thing because this is the main building block of learning Python. Just like we use language like English to communicate with each other, we use a programming language like Python to communicate with the computer. Programming languages can be so many of types like C, C++, Java, Python, Ruby, many others. Now, example, the operating system we are using right now is made from a programming language. Example, Windows. Windows is made from 50% of Windows is made from C programming language. Programming is a way to instruct the computer to perform various tasks. Okay, we can use programming languages or use programming method to tell the computer what we have to do. Now, computer will listen to us. Just we have to give the perfect information. Let's move on. Now, what is Python? Why are we learning Python? So Python is a simple and easy to understand language which feels like reading simple English. Now, if you're completely new to programming, so Python is the best language to start your programming, because there are many basic concepts that you are going to be introduced in Python, and that is really easy in Python to learn, like syntax and many other things. You will be familiar with it after some time. Now, this pseudocode. Now, pseudocode, what do you mean by pseudocode? So pseudocode just means simple programming language. Okay. This pseudocode nature of Python makes it easy to learn and understandable by beginners. Now, there will be no problem to learn Python by beginners. Let's move on to the another topic. Now, features of Python. The features of Python are like easy to understand. Means beginners can learn Python easily. In some 5 days, they will cover around 20% of the Python. Also, when you are completed with Python and you are starting with a project, you will just take some time. Less development time means the syntax are smaller, and many other things have to be removed in Python. That's why the development time is less. Now, Python is also open source. You can find it on Google and other browsers, and you can just download it. It is completely free. Now, one more advantage of Python is that it is a high-level programming language. Many programming languages like are basically based on a specific type, like C. It is based on structured programming. The C++, it is fully dependent on object-oriented programming, and like that, Python introduces all of them. That's why it's a high-level programming language. It's portable. It can work on any kind of operating system: Linux, Windows, Mac, now Fedora, Ubuntu, and many more other. I just mentioned 3 here. Let's move on. Now, the installation of Python. I'm going to make a specific video on Python, how to install it, because there will be a lot of problem for you to have to face while installing. And I will tell you from starting. Now, see, Python can be easily installed from python.org. You can go on browser and search for python.org. When you will download it, there will be an executable file. You just have to run it. Install the Python like you install the game. I don't know if you play games, but still, just like install it like a game. Let's more. Now, basics of Python. We are stopping here. Okay. So we are going to do this basics of Python. This is just a basic Python program